When you hear someone saved $10,000 in just 1 year, your first thought might be, sure, maybe if they earned 6 figures a year. But here's the truth: people earning $30,000 or less have done it, not by winning the lottery, not by living in a tent, but by following a clear plan step by step. And in this video, I'll break it down so that by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to hit that $10,000 target, even if you think it's impossible right now. Most people fail before they even start because they believe the goal is unrealistic. Here's the problem. If you tell your brain something can't be done, you won't look for solutions. You'll look for excuses. So first, we change the mindset. $10,000 a year is $833 per month. That's $27 a day. And yes, $27 is still a lot for many people, but it's not $1 million. It's a number you can work with. The moment you break the goal into smaller daily or weekly targets, it stops being a mountain and becomes a staircase. And a staircase is something you can climb, one step at a time. Imagine you're trying to lose weight, but never step on a scale. You just guess you're eating less. That's exactly how most people treat their finances, and that's why their money mysteriously disappears. Step 1 is tracking every single dollar you spend. Yes, even the $2 bottle of water. Even the $1.50 gum at the checkout. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app like Mint or YNAB. After 2 weeks, you'll start to see patterns. Maybe you spend $100 a month on coffee without realizing that's $1,200 a year, more than 10% of your savings goal. When you track, you become aware. And when you're aware, you can change. Here's the mistake 90% of budget advice makes. It focuses on small stuff. Cancel Netflix. Buy generic cereal. Sure, that saves a few dollars. But the real power is in cutting your biggest expenses: housing, transportation, and food. Housing. Can you move to a smaller place, get a roommate, or renegotiate your rent? Dropping rent by $300 a month gives you $3,600 a year instantly. Transportation. Owning a car is expensive: insurance, fuel, maintenance. If you can switch to public transit or a bicycle for even 6 months, you might save $1,000, $2,000. Food. Eating out is a budget killer. Cooking at home can cut your food bill in half. If you spend $15 a day eating out, that's $450 a month, $5,400 a year. Even reducing it by half puts thousands in your pocket. Focus here, and you could save $6,000 plus a year without touching the small pleasures. Here's a fact. Willpower is overrated. If you wait until the end of the month to see what's left and save that, you'll save nothing. The trick? Pay yourself first. The day your paycheck hits, set an automatic transfer of 20% into a separate savings account. If you earn $2,500 a month, that's $500 saved before you even see it. And because it's automatic, you won't feel like you're making a decision each month. It just happens. Over a year, that's $6,000 without even thinking about it. Combine that with the cuts we talked about earlier, and you're already close to $10,000. Saving is half the battle, earning more is the other half. Let's say you've cut costs and saved $500 a month. That's great, but what if you could add $300, $500 more by working a few extra hours a week? Ideas. Freelancing if you can write, design, code, or even just do simple tasks online. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr can bring $15, $30 hour. Selling unused items, most people have $500, $1,000 worth of stuff gathering dust. Side gigs, dog walking, tutoring, ride sharing. Even adding $100 a week is $5,200 a year, which, when added to your savings, crushes that $10,000 target. This is where most people fail. They start strong, then get bored or discouraged. The secret to staying motivated is to make your progress visible. Print out a $10,000 tracker, color in each $100 saved, and hang it on your wall. Reward yourself at milestones hit $2,000. Buy something small you love. Share your goal with a friend who will hold you accountable. And most importantly, remind yourself why you're doing this. It's not about the money itself. It's about the freedom, the security, the peace of mind that comes with it. Now you have the exact blueprint. Cut the big expenses, automate savings, increase your income, and track your progress. $10,000 in 1 year isn't magic. It's math and discipline. So, the question is, will you start today? Hit subscribe, share your savings goal in the comments, and let's make this year the one you change your financial life forever.